Hello guys, welcome to our learning community. Let's see about difference between quality assurance or quality control. Quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC, are two distinct processes aimed at ensuring the quality of products or services, but they serve different purposes within the overall quality management system. Quality assurance, QA. QA focuses on preventing defects or errors in the process that leads to the production of a product or service. It involves establishing processes, standards, and procedures to ensure that the product or service will meet customer requirements. QA activities typically happen before the product or service is completed or delivered. QA is proactive and aims to improve processes continuously to avoid defects rather than identifying and fixing them afterward. It involves activities such as process audits, training, documentation review, and setting up quality standards. Quality control, QC. QC involves activities that are focused on identifying defects or errors in the finished product or service. It is reactive and aims to detect and correct defects before delivering the product or service to the customer. QC activities typically happen after the product or service is completed but before it is delivered to the customer. QC involves inspection, testing, and measurement of the product or service against predetermined standards or specifications. It ensures that the product or service meets the required quality criteria before it is released to the customer. QA is about preventing defects by establishing processes and standards, while QC is about identifying and correcting defects through inspection and testing. Both QA and QC are essential components of a comprehensive quality management.